Hello friends, let's discuss the particular problems through linear programming model. The problem has been taken from Quantitative Technique in Management written by N.D. Bora sir. The problem is like that a farm is engaged in producing two products A and B. Each unit of product A requires 2 kg of raw material and 4 labor hours for processing, whereas each unit of B requires 3 kg of raw material and 3 hours of labor of the same type. Every week, the farm has an availability of 60 kg of raw material and 96 labor hours. One unit of product A sold gives 40 rupees as the profit, and one unit of B sold gives 35 rupees as a profit. The ultimate objective of the question is that to maximize the profit, and through this process, how many units of X, A and B you have to produce. So the particular problem is the maximization type. So I have written here the objective of the particular problem is the maximizations or objective one. Let's X unit of A and Y unit of B has been produced, and some of the constants are already highlighted. Constants are like that. One of the constant is raw material, and another constant is labor. 2 kg raw material has been required for unit A. So X unit of A will produce then 2X unit of raw material, and simultaneously 3Y unit of raw material has been required for B. 2X plus 3Y should be less than equal to 60 because availability equal to 60, and simultaneously in the labor case it is 4X plus 3Y should be less than equal to 96 because availability of the labor hour is 96. Already highlighted that in my previous video how you can solve the particular type of the questions through solver method, and today I will add more another one important how you can solve the particular problems through matrix method. To solve the particular problems through solver method, you all know that just I write the sum product of what? It's the multiplication of the 40 and 35 the particular cell with whatever the value will come, that is X and Y. Similarly, here I have written 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 equal to sum product of the particular cell multiply by whatever the value will come in the form of the X and Y. Similarly, here also labor hour case also it is the sum product of 4 and 3, and whatever the value will come in the form of the X and Y. And you all know that this particular problem can be solved through the solver method. Go to the data, go to the solver, and reset all. You reset all because I have already solved the particular problems in previously. I like to take my objective of the maximizations cell, and it is the maximization one. Which type of the variables you like to know, you have to take it. I like to know that what should be the value of X and what should be the value of Y, and what should be your constant functions. Constant is that the particular cell in that labor raw materials whatever it will come, it should be less than equal to 60, and again add whatever the value will come here, it should be less than equal to 96. Then okay, non-negativity situations you have to check, then make it solve. Once you solve, you see that X unit equal to 18 or 18 units of the X or A, and 8 units of B you have to produced, by which your result will be the 1001. That should be the maximum profit. It can be solved through the solver method. Then you can say that whether it can be solved through the matrix method. Yes, it can be done. Suppose you all know that matrix, when it will go for the multiplication of the matrix, then it should be 2 by 2. Suppose I have written here matrix, this is a particular matrix, that is 2 multiplied by 2 or 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 2 or if you can only take x, this is a particular matrix is 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, what is 2 and what is 1? 2 equal to considered as the row and 1 equal to column. I just have put another column here because I like to find the result here, and it is also 2 row and 2 row and 1 column. Suppose you multiply, it is 2 by 2, it is 2 by 2, 2 and 2 deleted, then 2 by 1 equal to result. So it is the perfect way of multiplication of the matrix. But the thing is that here you like to find the result of x and y. So if A will go in other side, then you like to know about inverse of A multiplication of the output result. Then how you can find that? That is matrix multiplication, MMULT, then inverse of the matrix, inverse of the matrix. Which matrix you have to inverse? The particular matrix, then comma, then it's a multiplication. Which things you have to go into multiply? 60 into 96. Then you make it. Then you find that it is again 18 and 8. Then you find that what should be the value of the z. I write here also. Value of the z equal to 40 into 18 plus 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 35 into 8. Enter, that is 1000. So you can solve the both the cases, the solver method and matrix method. But in the solver method, it all take into consideration all the situations. It is less than equal to or greater than equal to or equal to. It can be solved through the solver method. Whereas the matrix method, I already assume that it is equal to, because that's why it is 18 and 8 comes. Numbers of times the value may be more than 60 or 40, 48, 96, less than 90, 70, anything can be done. But here I assume that it is equal to 1. But it can be solved through the matrix methods. Matrix methods, because in the real life situations you will find that numbers of variables are there. It may be the raw material, it may be the labor, it may be the insurance, it may be the consultancy, it may be the feed, it may be the fodder. Numbers of raw materials are, or numbers of inputs are there. So you'll find the numbers of variables. Only just doing the matrix method calculations and understanding the matrix multiplication and matrix inverse methods, then you can solve only on a click. But solver method is the better than, because it consider all the consideration of the higher than, less than, or whatever the situations, non-negativity situations, everything can be considered in the solver methods. But you have to know both the things by which you can understand the problems and solve the problems only within a few minutes. Thank you.